Welcome to the Learning Academy. Today we'll be exploring the Premiere tool and feature in YouTube Studio. Now, we all know that YouTube provides us with a lot of ideas, amazing features, and efficiency-geared tools. These tools are all designed to help creators to be better at what they do. They help us to be more efficient, and that is what I will be focusing on today, using the YouTube Premiere tool. Now, the YouTube Premiere tool is very similar to the scheduling tool, and I would have gone through the scheduling tool in another video. So please review that video if you need further information. Let's explore the YouTube Premiere tool. In order to get to the YouTube Premiere tool, you first need to upload your video as private. Then you go to YouTube Studio and select Channel Videos. Then you scroll across to Visibility, and then you change your visibility to Public. Then you select Set as Premiere. Then you focus on going to Schedule. You choose a date. You choose a date that you would really love to premiere that video. Then you select a time that is specific to that date. Now, there are various time segments that YouTube presents on this tool and feature, so you will be able to premiere the video at different intervals on the hour. So after that, you also have to select Set as Instant Premiere once more. So let's review. You select the date, then you go to focusing on scheduling a time slot. Then when this time slot is selected, then you click Schedule after selecting Instant Premiere. Now, this tool is simply amazing, and it provides you with the option of seeming as if you're actually live. Your audience gets to basically wait on your video before it is premiered. What YouTube does is that they create a premiere page for your video, and then persons will be able to wait until your video has basically premiered on your YouTube channel. Fascinating YouTube feature not only allows you to premiere your videos and schedule the time that you would like your videos to be premiered, and also gives your audiences a preview of what it is that you have to offer in your upcoming video. But it also gives you the opportunity to check to see if you have any copyright claims on your videos. Recommendation is that you upload your videos and give it about 10 minutes. After giving it that 10 minutes, you should go and check to see if any copyright claims have been made on your video. Then you can decide, after checking the section that says restrictions, to see if it says none or if it actually says copyright claim. Then you can decide if you want to go and actually move your video from its private status to a public status and then schedule the premiere. So that is our recommendation. Put it on private, then leave it for 10 minutes, then check to see if there are any restrictions, and then proceed to doing the scheduling and the setting of the video as premiere. Unfortunately, you are unable to do the premiere setting from your YouTube Studio app. So you basically have to log in to your YouTube Studio through desktop and actually do this scheduling. But it is very easy. Just remember the steps. The steps are as follows. Upload the video as private. Then go to YouTube Studio on desktop site and select the video under Channel Videos. Then move across and view it under Visibility. Change your visibility if and only if there are no restrictions. If there are no restrictions, it will say none. Then you can proceed to changing your visibility to public, then selecting Set as Premiere, then proceeding to select the scheduling option, choosing your date and choosing your time that you would like your video to premiere. Then also ensure that before you select schedule, which would be similar to saving the changes, you need to select Set as Instant Premiere, and then you select Schedule. That will basically save all your scheduling and premiering settings. After that, you should scroll across and check your visibility to ensure that your video is now reflecting that the visibility is Premiere. Now, when you go to your YouTube channel, you will see that you have a video that will be premiered at X time. So if you've chosen 12:15 p.m., your video will be premiered at that time. And let me remind you, your audience and your loyal subscribers and fans will get a notification that you are going to premiere a video at X time on X date. And they, being loyal subscribers and loyal fans, will await your video. They will be there waiting for your content to be premiered, because remember, YouTube will create a premiere page personal to your specific content that you would like to roll out on that particular day at that particular time. I want to encourage you to utilize the scheduling app and the Premiere app. I also want to introduce you to the YouTube Studio on a whole. It is simply amazing. Use the YouTube Studio to make your video better. Use it to do your necessary editing. Use the app as well, not only the YouTube Studio through desktop site. Premiere feature in YouTube Studio is excellent. It is efficient, and it also helps us to have a good understanding of the status of our videos before we release them. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments down below and let me know if you have any questions about YouTube Studio Premiere tool. It is an amazing tool. Use it to make your content presentation more timely and more efficient. Thanks for watching.